Hi, champions. You're probably thinking this title, How to Win in Life in Anything. You're probably saying to yourself, what is she talking about? How can you win in life with anything? Well, I am getting ready to let you know exactly how to do that. And if you want to, you can try it too. All right. So this is straight off the cuff. And I'm just telling you from my experience and from seeing other people that I know. So let's get into it. I like to get straight into it, y'all. Come on, let's go. And let's see. So the first thing, this is the first thing that I do. The first thing that I do is I pray and I meditate as soon as I wake up in the morning. That's the first thing, right? Because if you pray and meditate, guess what's going to happen? You're going to balance your day out. And it is very important to do that. Now, some of you say, oh, I may not pray, I may not meditate. I just need to get up and handle my business and take care of myself and blah, blah, blah. Okay. If that's what you want to do, do it. But if you want to know how I do things and how you can do things to make life better for yourself, how to win in life, this is how you do it. All right. And this is my way of doing things. Now you can do things however you want to do them. So if you want to, jot down these things and then decide, hey, let me put my own little spin in here. So here's the next thing. Make sure that you at least do something that's going to help you. Do something that's going to help you be prosperous, right? And that goes with your health. Eat correctly, okay? But also you can read a book within your sector, right? Whatever it is that you need to know, look it up, read it, sharpen your skills, have your skills sharpened. I mean, come on. Y'all got to know that this is very important. Excuse me, y'all. I am not going to edit this. I'm going to drink me some coconut water, okay? Organic coconut water. Listen, this is the way that you take care of your body, take care of your mind. Okay, take care of your vocal cords. Listen, as this is another thing, as you are out here doing speeches, doing content, talking to others, you're in management, whatever you're in, whatever career that you're doing, you got to take care of your body. All right. I can't say this enough. And it's definitely about the wisdom that you have as well. Like, I mean, think about it. You want to take it nice and easy and think about the things that you need in your life and think about the things that make sense, right? It makes sense, right? Think about the things that make sense. What is it do you need? What is it that you need to learn for your career, your niche? What is it to make your skills sharpened, to make sure that you are on a higher level? What is it, right? Now, when you're taking care of yourself and you're sharpening your skills and you got this wisdom going on, you prayed and you meditated, you're saying, okay, well, what is it? What else is it? I'm doing all of that. Well, guess what? You got to be patient. I mean, come on. People are just running around thinking that everything needs to happen just like that. Not all the time. It doesn't happen that fast. Sometimes things take time. And when they take time, guess what's going to happen? You're going to learn through the situations that happen, whether they're good or bad, And for me, I feel like it's not that bad, right? I mean, I know things are going to happen, but you're going to learn from these things, right? So that's why I say it's not that bad, because you're going to learn from them. No matter what happens, you're going to learn. You're going to grow, right? And here's the next thing. Y'all are going to be like, what? Okay, check this out. Here's the next thing. if you really want to learn how to get things done effectively and win, guess what? You got to market yourself. You got to let people know that you're here. Hey, how you doing? I'm here. Yes, you got to let people know that you're here, that you have something of value. You can't be quiet. You can't go sit in the corner somewhere. Come on. Let people know that you're here and that you have something that can help, right? You got a solution. Everyone has a solution to a problem, right? And so that's part of it as well. Giving people the solution to what they have this problem to. Maybe they can't think about what to do. Well, guess what? That's why you're here. You're here because you're like, how do I win in life? This is how you win in life. It's just too simple, y'all. This is how it goes. How you win in life is to basically let people know, hey, this is what I'm doing, and this is the solution, and this is what I'm doing, and here I am. Well, guess what? Let's talk about it real quick. YouTube is free. If you have a business, if you have a course, if you have something that you want, if you want to hire some people, if you want to hire great people, hey, if you got a business, let people know, hey, this is my business, such and such, or whatever, right? Let people know what kind of people you need at your establishment. Okay? For me, I love to have great people in my community. For me, I have the 1,000 plus new content creators community. And what we do, Monday through Friday. Yes, Monday through Friday, live stream. We get together and we say hello. 1,000 plus people is the goal, right? To say hello and encourage and inspire one another, right? And so that's what I'm doing here on YouTube. Some of y'all like, oh, yeah, so that's the key. Yeah, that's the key. You got free marketing, free advertising. You can do this, whatever it is. If you got a book, if you have some goods and services that you want to show people, yeah, come on. You got that. Listen, you might even be into sports or whatever it is. You want to teach people. You want to teach the children. You want to teach people how to be better at sports, whatever it is. Come on. YouTube is about education and entertainment. Are you a comedian? Let people know who you are. It's just too simple. So let's go into it real quick. Let's go even deeper. And I'm not going to take too long because that's what this is about. You don't have to take a long time for you to realize what life is really about. Life is truly about, right? Think about this. Balance yourself with meditation and prayer. Make sure that you have a peace about you. Stay calm. Be healthy. Eat healthy. Drink plenty of spring water and all of these different things, and have wisdom. Don't be anxious to do things so fast, right? And remember, you have a platform. You have many platforms that are free. Okay? Now, for anybody that wants to get on my email list, go down in the comment section below. Get on my email list, and I will be able to contact you and say hello sometimes. Listen, some people say, oh, I don't need no new friends. Listen, you need some new contacts. You need some networking going on. And if that's what you need, guess what you do? You comment in the comment section below and say new networks, right? And let me tell you how you do that real quick. When you put your email in my email list, right? And you want to be in my email list, what do you do next? If you want to win in life, you make your own email list for free. As soon as you put your email list in, guess what you can do? Go ahead and make your own with the same app that I am showing you in the comments below. All right, y'all. I'll talk to you later. I'm so excited for you because I love you. I believe in you and I want to see you win. Let's do this together.